This is the world's first foldable computer. It doesn't have a release date. It doesn't even have a name. But it's something we've never seen before. And maybe, just maybe, could be what the future of computing might look like. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Earlier last week, my buddy Michael Fisher, aka TheMrMobile, and I were given a sneak peek of a yet-to-be-unveiled device from Lenovo that's 3 years in the making and counting. A computer with a flexible display. Designed for the mobile warrior and boldly called a computer replacement, this new device is a computer with a flexible display. Now, I know what you're thinking, another device with a foldable display. That's a disaster waiting to happen. Following the hoopla surrounding the early release of the Galaxy Fold from Samsung to reviewers, it's understandable that consumer confidence around devices such as this is currently low. And Lenovo understands that, so much so that they're attaching the ThinkPad brand name to this device, a brand name synonymous with toughness and durability. I wouldn't worry about it too much. They have at least another full year to figure things out. But in the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy a glimpse of the future. Unlike this guy over here, I wasn't able to document my initial reaction. So imagine this was me instead. It's pretty amazing seeing this device that's reminiscent of a moleskin notebook unfold like this. Cool, right? Now, because the device doesn't yet have a name, I want to throw my hat into the ring. Why not call it the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Flex? What do you think, or do you have better suggestions? Let me know down below. I think Flex is a perfect name because it's both a flexible device literally and figuratively. This is a device with many different use cases. Fully articulated, it's a 13.3-inch tablet, perfect for watching videos and consuming media. It comes with a bundled Wacom pen, so in this mode, you can also use it for taking notes or sketching. Prop it up and add the bundled keyboard, and it's a desktop computer. Lenovo says if you're taking the device to work, you can also connect it to a ThinkPad dock and use it with an external keyboard. Fold it ever so slightly, and it's an ebook reader. Bend it in a 90-degree angle, and it's a laptop, with the bottom half of the display doubling as an on-screen keyboard. And to ensure that there's no toppling over like this, Lenovo is putting all the components on the upper half of the display and the more heavier battery on the bottom half to prop it down like so. When folded this way, both screens can act as two separate 9.6-inch displays. So maybe you're chatting with a colleague via Skype on the top display while looking at a presentation on the bottom half. Or maybe use it as a notepad instead. All of this folding and unfolding is made possible thanks to the device's torque hinge, which we are not allowed to show you. This hinge makes this form factor possible, all while managing the stress on the display so that it stays durable. Lenovo says these hinges are tested to have double the cycles of its laptops. Now, a bit of a disclaimer, while you see some of our footage shows the device running on Windows 10, this is a prototype. Lenovo says the actual device will run on a different, possibly a new version of Windows. In terms of other features, there will be 2 USB-C ports, stereo speakers, and an IR camera for Windows Hello. There were many other exciting things about the device that I'd love to share, but I'm currently not allowed to. All of that will come out in due time. In the meantime, here is what I can confirm. So, when can we expect to get our hands on this new foldable Lenovo computer? Lenovo is committing to a 2020 launch date, but that's all they're willing to say. And because this is such new tech, expect it to come with a premium. Do I think that computers with foldable displays are the future? At its current state, it's really too early to tell, but I'm really just happy that there's someone out there willing to spend some R&D money to make sure that idea becomes a reality. As a product, this foldable computer excites me, and its use cases make sense, but only time will tell whether this kind of technology will live up and stand up to the rigors of the real world. What about you? What do you think of this device? Is it a device that you are excited to own, or is it a type of computer that you would consider using? Let me know in the comments section below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and while you're at it, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post new videos. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.